Castor oil before bed, old wisdom and modern reality. Castor oil before bed was never a trend. It was a habit passed quietly through generations. Simple routines mattered more back then. I first heard about it from my grandmother. No hype, no promises, just consistency and observation. I decided to test it carefully. A calm change you notice early. The first nights felt ordinary. Then digestion felt lighter. Morning stiffness felt less noticeable. Nothing dramatic, just subtle shifts. How castor oil works: simply, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid interacts with gut receptors. It influences smooth muscle activity gently. According to the National Institutes of Health, ricinoleic acid affects intestinal movement. Science in one clear line: ricinoleic acid supports gut motility. This explains its traditional use. What people often notice: improved bowel regularity, not urgency, just smoother rhythm. Reduced bloating overnight, less pressure by morning. Skin hydration support. Healthy fats nourish cell membranes. Joint comfort over time. Inflammation modulation is gradual. Research in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences discusses anti-inflammatory properties of ricinoleic acid. Dose is everything. Very small amounts are discussed, often half to 1 teaspoon. More is not better. Excess acts too strongly. Effects depend on body size and sensitivity. Important reality check: castor oil is not gentle for everyone. Some bodies react quickly. Others should avoid it entirely. Who should be cautious? People with digestive disorders. Those with intestinal sensitivity. Pregnant individuals should avoid internal use. Possible side effects: cramping or loose stools if overdosed. This signals misuse, not benefit. How I approached it safely: never daily without breaks. Taken alone, not with heavy meals. Always monitored the next morning response. Tracking made the difference. Foods that support similar benefits. Fiber-rich vegetables support gut rhythm. Olive oil supports digestion gently. These work slower but safer long-term. Moderation reminder: natural does not mean harmless. Doctor consultation note: consult a doctor before internal use, especially with digestive or hormonal conditions. Tracking real progress: monitor digestion timing. Note bloating and comfort levels. Changes should feel stable, not forced. Final takeaway: old remedies work best with modern awareness. Use tradition with understanding. If this helped, show support naturally. Small nightly habits can shape mornings.